Now let's talk about dividing rational expressions. So rewrite as the first rational expression multiplied by the reciprocal of the second. So when you divide fractions, you multiply it by the reciprocal of the second, you flip it and multiply. So that's what you're going to do here. Then factor the numerator and denominator just like we did with multiplying them. Multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators, and simplify. Okay, so let's see what we have here. 9x squared minus 16 divided by 3x squared plus 17x minus 28 divided by 3x squared minus 2x minus 8 over x squared plus 5x minus 14. So they're saying just to rewrite this right off the bat. So it's 9x squared minus 16 over 3x squared plus 17x minus 28 times the reciprocal of the second term, x squared plus 5x minus 14 over 3x squared minus 2x minus 8. So the first one is a difference of squares. So I think we can see that. That's going to be 3x plus 4 times 3x minus 4. Now my guess is, I'm not sure this is going to be true, but since I'm looking at this as a denominator for this term, I'll need to erase that arrow, that 3x plus 4 or 3x minus 4 is probably going to be a factor there. And same thing I'm betting here because of that 3. So that just gives us an idea. Times, that's just how they design these problems. Let's see. X squared plus 5x minus 14. Okay, that's going to be x. Okay, 14 would be 7 and 2, so x plus 7 times x minus 2. Okay, I'm willing to bet that this down here, just looking at the problem layout, let's see the x plus 7 and the 3x plus 4. That 3x squared, it's coming from 3x plus 4 times x plus 7. So 3x squared, 3x times x. And the negative 28 is, it's got to be this one. Negative 4 times 7. And then we get the 17. That's what it is. So I'm using the context clues here. But if we want to go the long way, we could say 3 times negative 28 is 3 times 28 negative 84. I want factors of negative 84 that add to be 17. So we know it's not 2, 3, 4. It's 84 divided by 4. 21, that'll do it. So if I went negative 4 and positive 21, I'd have 3x squared minus 4x plus 21x minus 28. So let's see here. So out of the first pair, I could pull an x, and I have 3x minus 4, like I predicted. And then out of the second pair, I drew that too close, I can pull out a 7. And then we have 3x minus 4. And so we end up with 3x minus 4 times x plus 7. Okay. So 3x minus 4 times x plus 7. And for the last one, I'm really wondering if it's going to be the 3x plus 4 times x minus 2. Let's just check that out. So I know that 3x times x is 3x squared. And I know that negative 2 times 4 is negative 8. And then, so that works. But then we'd have, so I'm proposing that 3x plus 4 times x minus 2 is it. So our middle stuff would be negative 6x plus 4x is negative 2. Yeah. If you want to do it the long way, let's do it the long way. So we have 3 times negative 8 is negative 24. So we're looking at factors of negative 24 that add to be negative 2. So negative 6 and 4 come to mind. So think of 3x squared minus 6x plus 4x minus 8. And then our first grouping together, should give myself more space for this problem. I have 3x times x minus 2 plus 4 times x minus 2 to give us 3x plus 4 times x minus 2. Okay. So what happens? This 3x plus 4 and that 3x plus 4 go away. This 3x minus 4 and that 3x minus 4 go away. This x plus 7 and that x plus 7 go away. This x minus 2 and that x minus 2 go away. And we get the answer is 1. That was actually a lot of fun. Okay, let's keep moving because this video is getting long. The next one's not so hard. We have a difference of squares, so that factors be x minus 6 times x plus 6. And then we have down below x squared minus 4x minus 12. So if you needed to do this, negative 12, negative 4, negative 6, and positive 2. So x minus 6 times x plus 2. Then times the reciprocal. And that one's already in factored form, or there's really nothing to factor. X plus 2 over 5x. So the x minus 6 go away. The x plus 2's go away. Now what do we have left? X plus 6 over x, or over 5x, excuse me. Okay, that'll do it for dividing rational expressions.